Ever felt like you're playing a financial guessing game? Like, you apply for a bank account, thinking you've got it all together, and then, denied. Especially with online banks like Ally, which promise convenience and great rates, it can feel like a real blow. So, the question is, how do you actually crack the code and get approved? Is it some secret handshake? A magic number? Or just plain luck? Let's be real, the world of online banking has changed the game. No more long lines, no more dealing with branches that close at inconvenient hours. Ally Bank, in particular, has become a favorite for many, offering competitive interest rates, no monthly fees on many accounts, and a user-friendly online interface. But that convenience comes with a catch: you've got to get approved first. And that's where things can get a bit murky. You see, online banks like Ally operate a bit differently than your traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. They rely heavily on technology and data to assess your financial profile. This means they're looking at a broader picture, often digging deeper than just your credit score. They're trying to gauge your overall financial health and predict your future banking behavior. Why is this important? Well, for Ally, it's about minimizing risk. They want customers who are reliable and who will contribute positively to their ecosystem. They're not just looking for someone to park their money, they're looking for a long-term relationship. So, let's break down the key factors Ally Bank considers when you apply for an account. We're going to dissect this into actionable steps, so you're not just left wondering, but you're actually equipped to improve your chances. First and foremost, your credit score. Yes, it still matters. While Ally might not rely solely on it, it's a significant piece of the puzzle. A good credit score indicates responsible financial behavior. It shows you've managed debt effectively, paid bills on time, and haven't overextended yourself. But what exactly is a good credit score? Generally, a score of 670 or above is considered good. However, with Ally, aiming for a score in the mid-700s or higher will significantly improve your chances. This shows them you're a low-risk customer. Now, how do you improve your credit score? It's not an overnight fix, but there are practical steps you can take. Start by paying your bills on time, every time. Set up automatic payments if necessary. Reduce your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Ideally, keep it below 30%. Regularly check your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Next, Ally will look at your banking history. This includes your past banking behavior, such as overdrafts, bounced checks, and negative balances. They want to see that you manage your accounts responsibly and don't frequently overdraw or have issues with payments. If you have a history of overdrafts or negative balances, it's crucial to clean up your act before applying to Ally. Start by monitoring your account balances closely and setting up low balance alerts. Consider using a budgeting app to track your spending and ensure you have enough funds to cover your expenses. Another crucial factor is your income and employment history. Ally needs to see that you have a stable source of income and are financially secure. This helps them assess your ability to maintain a healthy account balance and avoid potential issues. If you're self-employed or have an irregular income, be prepared to provide documentation such as tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs. Ally wants to see a consistent income stream, even if it fluctuates. Now, let's talk about your application details. The information you provide on your application must be accurate and consistent. Any discrepancies or errors can raise red flags and lead to rejection. Double-check everything before submitting your application. Make sure your name, address, social security number, and other personal information are correct. Verify your employment details and income information. If you're unsure about any information, contact Ally's customer service for clarification. Ally also considers your existing relationship with other financial institutions. If you have a history of closing accounts shortly after opening them or have a pattern of moving money around frequently, it can raise concerns. They're looking for stability and long-term customers. If you have a history of frequent account closures, it's best to establish a stable banking relationship with your current institution before applying to Ally. Show them you can maintain a healthy account for an extended period. Another important factor is your online presence and digital footprint. In today's digital age, banks like Ally are increasingly using online data to assess your credibility. This includes your social media activity, online reviews, and any public records. While it might seem intrusive, it's a reality of modern banking. Ensure your online presence is clean and professional. Avoid posting anything that could raise concerns about your financial responsibility. Now, let's talk about the type of account you're applying for. Ally offers various accounts, including checking, savings, and money market accounts. Each account has its own eligibility requirements and features. Carefully consider which account best suits your needs and financial goals. For example, their high-yield savings account might have different requirements than their everyday checking account. Understand the specific criteria for the account you're interested in. Finally, remember that Ally, like any bank, has its own internal policies and procedures. These policies can change over time, so it's essential to stay informed. Regularly check Ally's website for updates and announcements. If you're unsure about any aspect of the application process, don't hesitate to contact Ally's customer service. They can provide clarification and guidance. Here's a quick recap of the key steps. Improve your credit score, aim for a score in the mid-700s or higher. Maintain a clean banking history, avoid overdrafts and negative balances. Show stable income and employment, provide accurate documentation. Ensure accurate application details, double-check everything. Establish a stable banking relationship, avoid frequent account closures. Maintain a professional online presence, clean up your social media. Choose the right account, understand the eligibility requirements. Stay informed about Ally's policies, regularly check their website. Getting approved for Ally Bank isn't about luck. It's about demonstrating responsible financial behavior and presenting a strong financial profile. By following these steps, you can significantly increase your chances of getting approved and enjoying the benefits of online banking. Remember, each application is evaluated on its own merits. Even if you don't get approved the first time, don't give up. Take the feedback you receive, address any issues, and reapply when you're ready. Learning from a denial is a critical step in improving your financial health. Ultimately, Ally Bank is looking for customers who are financially stable, responsible, and a good fit for their online banking ecosystem. By understanding their criteria and taking proactive steps to improve your financial profile, you can unlock the benefits of this convenient and customer-friendly bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.